explain about our project, which is Smart Service Compilation. Hotel is a pet accommodation for guests who stay for short period time. Each hotel offers various services to guests according to the hotel policy. For example, cheap accommodation package, food and beverage service, and housekeeping. High-class hotel has additional facilities such as a restaurant, swimming pool, spa, golf, and many more. Each service available according to their department has a different cost. Therefore, to make it easier for guests to calculate costs and manage expenses, we have provided a new method in the form of a platform named Smart Service Compilation. Based on the problem statement, we found some issue in the hotel industry where the service have a spread account control for each department. For example, housekeeping, food and beverage service, gym, spa, and other facilities in the hotel. In addition, the spread bill cost according to each service used in the hotel makes it difficult for guests to check the bill and manage the budget. The last problem is excessive use of printed material and paper. For example, the use of paper for printing payment receipt during the checkout process of guests. The objective of the project we want to achieve is first, to produce a new method using a platform that can integrate the various services available in the hotel. Second, to facilitate the monitoring of service usage and customer or guest bill calculation. Lastly, to reduce the use of printed material or paper to meet the concept of green technology.
This project is the real type of project because the project that we want to produce is a product in the form of system according to the appropriate technology that is only using the internet. This method is not the new thing in the hotel industry because it has been used for a long time, but we have got an innovation to upgrade it, where throughout the uses of services in the hotel, the guests can monitor their own spending rates or their financial budget. The characteristic for our system is first, friendly user. It only needs a smartphone and also an internet for access our website. Next, it is fast response. By using our system, it only takes around 2 to 3 minutes to fulfill all the steps. Next, the function of our system. First, it is to easier the guests to managing their own financial budget, and of course, to increase the customer satisfaction. Based on the objective that have been taught before, we have decided to make a platform or a website that is known as Smart Service Compilation. On this website, we got another 3 sections, which is home, order, and feedback. So at the home section, we will show all the facilities that is offered at the hotel by each department. Next, for order section. First of all, the guests need to fill their email, full name, and also their ID or passport number. Okay, next, they can select all the facilities and services that they have been used. So as shown here, we already list out all the facilities and services with each price. For example, this guest have ordered a chicken chop and cheesy fries. Then he also used a laundry service for 10 clothes and 4 clothes for iron service. After select all the facilities and services, the guest can simply click the submit button. And for safety, we encourage the guests to send a copy of their responses to their email. After submitting their order, it's time to check it out, where they just need to simply click this link. Okay, it may take a second to listing out their order. Then here is the list of their order.
And then, the customer can continue payment via PayPal, debit, or credit card.
Hello, I am Elizabeth Jonas and I will present about our product acceptance based on the questionnaire result. Our questionnaire consists of 2 sections, which is Section A and Section B. Section A is about the demographic respondent by the gender, age, and occupation. Section B is to evaluate the objective of Smart Service Compilation. This is an example of questionnaire that get high response. The results show there are 74.6% respondents who state strongly agree for the question. Thus, the level of effectiveness Smart Service Compilation is better by combining various services in the hotel. There are 69.5% respondents who state strongly agree for the question. The Smart Service Compilation make it easier to calculate the bill for each service being used at the hotel. Lastly, for the third objective, there are 74.6% that strongly agree by 44 respondents. For the question, the smart service compilation is an environmentally friendly technology by applying the concept of green technology. From the result, it is shown that the respondent acceptance on smart service compilation is high, thus achieving the project objective. As for further improvement of the project, we will continue to increase the level of effectiveness smart service compilation by finding the right application to create more sophisticated platform.